Hello, this is Odisha Education and Development Center. Today we will learn the color window of Adobe Photoshop. The color window having three different tabs: color, swatches and style. It appears just below to the navigation window. Navigation window रो तले color window देखा जाए. Color window रे तीनटा tab अछि: color, swatches and styles. So color tab आमे पढ़िया. कलर विंडो को आमे तार टाइटल बार रो ड्रैग कर परिया. इट कैन बी ड्रैग इट टू आउट एंड अगेन वी कैन सेट आउ थरे आमे ताको सेट कर परिया. ड्रैग इट टू द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. वी कैन रीसाइज इट. Okay, and it has three different sliders: red, green and blue. Select either background color or foreground color to change the color. We can drag the slider to a particular position to make the changes in the color, or we can type the color 255. Like in the place of red I can give 255, 255. 0 to 255 we can provide. आमे एठी 0 to 255 भितर गोटे नंबर दे परिया. रेड and green मिसले yellow. We can combine the red and green to get the yellow color. Here we can find it is changes. We can click over the particular color picker to change the color even. We can double click over it and we can get the color picker where we can click over the particular color. We can change the color sliders, and through color library even we can get different color libraries. Here even there are several libraries are there. We can select the particular color we want. जो color टा हमको दरकार से color टा choose कर दवा, then click OK. So it will change the color. And from the swatches we can change the foreground color. Remember, only the foreground color we can change from the swatches. Only foreground color ही हमें change कर परिया swatches रे. Okay, let me open or let me create a new document. हमें गोटे new document file, new document create कर परिया. For example, my background OEDC. Give the file name and image size. Let it to be web and exactly 1024 and 768 pixel. This is the desktop size or size of the screen. 1024 768. Resolution it may be 300 and color mode RGB, 8-bit, 16-bit, 32-bit, any of one we can give. Then background content. Background content, what we can select? Background color. So what is the background color? It has selected the olive color. Click OK. So it will create a new document with background, selected background color. We can select any portion of the work area by using the elliptical marquee tool. Elliptical marquee tool, we can select any portion of the work area and we can put the color over there. Just select the background color as orange and put it there. Alt delete. We can press Alt delete to apply the foreground color over the selected region, and we can select Control delete to apply the background color at the selected region. We can use both of the color to apply over the selected region. आमे background और foreground दीटा जाको color आमे गोटे selected region उपरे apply करि परिया. Still, to have a good look on the foreground color, we can type any content at here. The text color will appear as the foreground color. आमे foreground color को बुझिया पे हेले किसी type करिया पे पड़ियो. आमे text tool, horizontal type tool नबा किसी type करिया, so that the typed color आमे जहाँ type करिया से color टा ଆମର foreground color ଆସିବ. For example, I will write OEDC. So it came foreground color. Okay, let me change the foreground color. Click on move tool, then change the foreground color to yellow, and again select the type tool and drag it over here. Write down something, whatever, Odisha Education and Development Center. So we can resize it to appear the text. Okay, the best example, we can select the background and we can draw something by using brush tool. We can draw anything, so it will draw with the selected foreground color. For example, let me change the foreground color to this color and we will draw something here, means it will change the color. Let me very clear, select the background layer in order to draw, or create a new layer in order to make drawings. We can select black and white, draw it over. So now the foreground color is black and we have drawn it over. Thank you. This is all about color window.